Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook doesn't loading on Google Chrome. First, I recommend making sure that the problem is really in Google Chrome. To do this, open another browser. This could be Safari or Firefox. I open Firefox and see that Facebook opens in Firefox without any problems. This means the problem is with Google Chrome. Let's fix it. Open the Google Chrome browser and click on three dots at the top right of the screen to customize and control Google Chrome. After that, select Settings. Next, select the Privacy and Security item and select Clear Browsing Data, because the main problem of Facebook website not displaying properly is the old cached files which we need to delete. Select Cookies and Cached Images and Files, and then click on Clear Data. The second way to solve the problem is to restore settings to their original defaults. To do this, click on Reset Settings item and choose the only option Restore Settings to their original defaults. This will reset Chrome data like cookies, and your Facebook issue can also be fixed. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, have a nice day, see you next time.